Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another website. You can claim your free Ethereum from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. First of all, go to link address, copy your Ethereum wallet address from here to this MetaMask or Ethereum wallet address. I just click it, copy it, and come in this website link available in description. Put your Ethereum MetaMask in here and just click login. After clicking login, first of all solve this captcha, then solve the edge captcha. It's too easy to solve the first captcha, and the second captcha is not too hard to you think it's too hard. Just like this and just click edge capture. It's a train available in this picture. They just click the train, okay, not other thing, and then click verify and then click verify capture. And you can see this website send me my Satoshi instantly to my faucetpay. I go to my faucetpay, go to overview, come down below, and you can see 10 Satoshi of Ethereum this website sent me. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. Click the link and come here, join yourself.